Now come to next, that is hydraulic brake. Please see the diagram number 4.9, that is hydraulic brake. I am going to explain the diagram first so that you can able to understand. How is the construction of this diagram is there. आप जब गाड़ी चलाते हो तो what is going to happen, उसमें होता क्या है, you have one foot pedal on which you can press and the brake is being applied on the different tires. Foot pedal is connected with a small cylinder which is named as master cylinder P, because this is the main cylinder on which we put pressure, and in turn it will apply the pressure on different cylinders which is connected with the different wheels, all the 4 wheels. How it works, this is master cylinder P with piston A. Master cylinder P is connected with a tube which is being called pipeline R, and that pipeline connects the different cylinders of the wheel. This is one cylinder of the wheel which is having 2 pistons B1 and B2. These 2 pistons are again in touch with brake shoes. These red color are the brake shoes. These brake shoes are connected with each other with the help of a spring. ये ब्रेक शूज एक स्प्रिंग की हेल्प से आपस में कनेक्टेड हैं. It means when we apply force over here on the foot pedal, we press this liquid inside the master cylinder P. When we press this liquid is being pushed inside another cylinder, that is cylinder Q, and this cylinder is having 2 pistons. So when this liquid is being pressed, it applies the pressure on both the pistons B1 and B2. When both the pistons open up, they press these brake shoes and this spring is being opened up. So they apply the force and it touches with the rim of the wheel and wheel stops. When the wheel stops, we want the wheel to come back on the original with the original velocity or with the original acceleration. When this force is released from the foot pedal, what is going to happen? The pressure exerted on this liquid is being released. When the pressure released, pressure on these brake shoes also release. So restoring force on of the spring enable the spring to come back to its original position. When this spring comes to original position, these 2 brake shoes press these 2 pistons inside. B1 and B2 comes inside and this liquid come back to master cylinder P and it is again filled up. So this was the construction and working of our hydraulic brake. This hydraulic brake, hydraulic jack and hydraulic lift, or you can say hydraulic press, which we have done, these all are the applications of Pascal's law which we use nowadays. Now one note is there, in all hydraulic machine effort is less than load while the distance moved by effort is more. In hydraulic machines हमने क्या देखा कि जो effort लगता है that is less whereas the load is more, but we use this hydraulic machines to multiply our force, हमारी force को बढ़ाने के लिए. With the help of less force we do more work. So when we calculate the work done by the effort is equals to work done by the load, means हमने जो effort के द्वारा जो work done किया वो load को उठाने के लिए था, तो इसलिए वो work done किसके बराबर हो गया, load के weight के equal. So when we calculate the mechanical advantage over here, load over effort is the formula. So answer is always greater. Why? We have already done effort is smaller than load. Mechanical advantage formula is load over effort. Load is greater, effort is smaller. So it means answer is always greater than 1. When we calculate the velocity ratio is distance moved by effort. Now distance moved by effort is less than the distance moved by load. It is again greater than 1. So we can say that hydraulic machines are always used as a force multiplier. This is our basic concept for which we are being used, or for which we are using our hydraulic machines.